Today, I'd like to introduce our pig slaughtering and processing workflow by HW Machinery. Guided by the principle of humanity, we minimize pain during slaughter. Before slaughter, pigs are given a comfortable warm water shower to relieve stress and fatigue from transportation. They enter the slaughterhouse via the pig passage. First, moving into our patented 3-point stunning machine, it instantly stuns pigs into unconsciousness. Integrating automatic conveying and electrical stunning. This machine avoids bone fractures and bruising, common with traditional stunning equipment, boasting high efficiency and better pork quality. Stunned pigs are conveyed via chutes to a horizontal flat conveyor. One hind leg is tied, then lifted by a hoist and automatically hung on the pig bleeding conveyor line. Operators perform slaughtering and bleeding with disinfected knives. After 5 minutes of bleeding, 90% of the pig's blood flows into the blood collection tank. Remaining blood on the carcass is cleaned by a pig washer. For dehairing, we use kennel-type scalding. Pigs on the bleeding line are lowered into a scalding tank via slopes, soaked for 4 to 6 minutes to pre-dehairing hair. It features 0.6 meter spacing between hanging pigs, short scalding teeth, low cost, and even scalding suitable for all pig sizes. Alternatively, spray-type scalding is available. Pigs are automatically conveyed to a steam scalding tunnel, controllable manually or via PLC remote control. This realizes automatic scalding, fully sterilizes carcasses, uses less water, saves energy, and reduces workers' labor intensity. After hot water steam scalding, pigs enter the spiral pig dehairing machine. Its internal U-shaped cast plate tunnel prevents pigs from jumping, getting injured, or damaged, ideal for inconsistent pig sizes breeds. It's suitable for middle and large-scale slaughterhouses with high production efficiency and dehairing rate. For thorough dehairing and sterilization, carcasses enter the singeing, scraping, and polishing conveyor to remove loose hair and moisture-reducing gas usage. The singeing machine sterilizes while singeing. The automatic singeing machine has electronic ignition at gas nozzles with reserved pilot flame. When the valve opens, it works as an automatic singeing furnace. Equipped with heat-insulating reflectors to save energy, plus gas leakage protection. Delayed fault startup, and exhaust systems, ensuring high safety. A whitening machine cleans, whitens, and taps the carcass. The carcass processing line then conveys it to designated stations for decapitation, opening, sealing the abdomen, removing red, white, offal, splitting, and synchronous inspection. Decapitated pigs are unloaded via a pig unloader, entering the pre-skinning conveyor for front, rear, hoof removal, and pre-skinning. The flat design facilitates manual operation, saving time and effort. The dehaired pigs are sent to the skinning station. The skinning machine's clamp holds the skin to peel off the entire hide. On the conveyor line, carcasses first undergo scraping, rectal sealing, and genital removal. After opening the chest, white offal is taken out and placed in trays for inspection. For white offal inspection, we use advanced floor-mounted systems, reducing workers' labor. No need to turn around, as offal falls directly into trays, and the tray can automatically flip to take out red offal. Red offal is hung on hooks of the synchronous red offal inspection conveyor. Qualified red offal automatically unhooks and slides into the red offal processing room via chutes. Hooks of the red offal conveyor and trays of the white offal conveyor are automatically cleaned and disinfected with hot cold water. Carcasses are split into 2 halves along the spine, using a belt splitter or a robotic splitter. When a carcass enters the station, it's detected by a photoelectric signal, triggering the workflow. The splitter's positioning system extends from the hook, holds and positions the spine, then splits from top to bottom. The device accurately tracks the conveyor line for synchronization. After splitting, the positioning system lifts, the splitter arm retracts. The knife is sprackling and disinfected, and the machine resets quickly to wait. This repeats for each carcass, with a splitting accuracy rate of up to 99.9%. After splitting, kidneys and leaf lard are removed and sent to the processing workshop. Red and white offal are conveyed to the quarantine area via the synchronous conveyor. Unqualified carcasses and offal are moved out of the slaughterhouse for harmless treatment. Pork carcasses are trimmed, cleaned, and subjected to lactic acid spraying, evenly applied to the surface and inner cavity. After pre-cooling, surface microorganisms are significantly reduced. This ensures good sterilization, maintains carcass color, extends shelf life, and improves product quality. Sprayed carcasses are weighed by a rail electronic scale, then graded and stamped based on weight. Lactic acid-treated carcasses enter the aging room for aging, then are unloaded from the rail via a meat unloader for deboning and cutting. A segment saw cuts each half into 3 to 4 sections, which are automatically conveyed to worker stations for cutting into parts. Cut pork parts are vacuum packaged, placed in freezing trays, pushed to the quick freezing warehouse via a meat cart, and finally boxed after quick freezing. Thank you for watching.